We're back! Back on the trail again!
Yeah, here we go, part two. This is where we left off last time. We just hiked a little over 3 miles on the trail to get back to this point. So we got about 7 to go for today. We're kind of doing a slack pack today just to see how Lisa's feet's gonna do. And then if everything's all well, then we'll start full packing it tomorrow. But all right, we'll see you all down the trail. So here we go, starting out. Got a couple decent climbs coming up, and then down, and then I think some puds till we get to where we're getting picked up at tonight. So if I see any views, I'll get it. If not, we'll see you at the top. Whew. It's a good climb. Wait for Lisa to, we can see her. Pretty steep. There she is. Oh, Mama Goose, I'm sorry. Yeah, definitely a little steep kind of climbing that Black Gap. And we're still climbing. We're not at the top yet. Still I go up. All right, we'll see you at the top. Well, made it up to the top of the first climb, and I'm sure there's a view here somewhere, but we ain't getting it today. It's pretty socked in. I don't know if you can see the fog rolling over there or not, but yeah, it's pretty socked in. So maybe by the time we get to the next climb, we'll be able to see something. All right, we'll see y'all down the trail. So doing the second climb, starting to open up a little bit out there. On the one side anyway. You can see the ridge line over there. I don't think where it's leafing out, we won't get the good views like we got back in February there. There's a structure down there. I don't know exactly what it is. All right, we'll see you down the trail. Uh-huh. A little bit of the green tunnel again.
Whoa, I'm making myself dizzy.
Almost time for lunch.
Yay!
Mm-hmm. Yeah, when we got to the top of that last climb, there wasn't really a view up there. And then we climbed down to Sassafras Gap, ate lunch, and we're about 3.5 miles from our pickup point. So I don't know if any more views will show up. So I figured I'd show you a little bit of the trail. White Blaze, oh yeah. So this is a nice treat today. It is hot out here, so hitting the shade feels really nice, and when a breeze comes through, it feels really nice too. So like I said, today's kind of a test day. See how Mama Goose's foot is working. So far it's doing good. Tomorrow, well, the next 3 days, will be the big test because we'll be having our full packs with us. Today we're slack packing, so. And we're not sure if we want to do a shorter day tomorrow and a longer day the next day, or vice versa. All right. We will see y'all on down the trail. All right, so wasn't that many more views after the last video. We finished our 3-mile trek back down the mountain. Got picked up, came back here to the hostel.
By Bloobs.
Bloobs.
He's the hostel owner, one of the hostel owners, and our
yeah. We're at the Grove Hostel
in Franklin.
In Franklin, yes. We're gonna leave here tomorrow, full packs, and we'll see how it goes. Tomorrow will be either an 8-mile day or a 12-mile day, depending on. And it's supposed to rain tomorrow too, so that's gonna suck. But
not too terribly bad though. So pray that it won't where we are.
Yeah.
And then Wednesday there was rain in the forecast, but not here now. It doesn't say. I don't know. We'll see. It is what it is.
So we got 3 days of backpacking out in the woods, and then we'll end up coming back here. And then we'll start keep heading north, head to NOC, and then Fontana Village, and get ready to enter the Smokies. So, but
all excited. Clearly, I got some sun today.
Yeah, she got some sun.
I didn't do a good job putting sunscreen on, apparently.
And her foot held up well today, so that was a good thing. So
hopefully tomorrow with a full pack. Again, pray that it works out.
All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Good night.